Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kai Academy, and today I will show you how to block or unblock someone on your Twitter on your mobile device. So you can block users or you can block the people that you don't want to see their posts anymore. Like you can have the reason for it, or like you just want to block that person without any purpose. You don't need a purpose. So let's talk about how to do that, how to block someone on Twitter, or let's assume that you block that person but now you regret it or something, and now you unblock that person. Just because President Trump cannot block Twitter users does not mean you can't. Of course you can. Twitter actually can be a great place for discussion, but sometimes heated debates can turn into an incessant trolling. This is where the block feature comes in handy. When you block a user, you are prohibiting them from messaging or following you and seeing your tweets. So if you ever change your mind, however, unblocking someone is just as easy. So there is no problem. So let me first show you how to block that person in your phone, right? The main reason why I am using it like horizontally so you guys can see everything more clear, but it is the buttons and everything is on the same place, so you don't need to worry about it. So first let's find someone to block. Let me go to my profile and find that person. Let's see. Mm, Honey Joe. I don't know this person. No, I don't. Um, his accounts are protected. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna come here. You see those three vertical dots on his profile? We're gonna click on that and we're gonna go block. And yes, Twitter is gonna ask for confirmation, and I'm gonna say yes, block. Boom. And now, as you can see, this person is blocked. So when we want to, like for example, we didn't do it on purpose, right? So what can we do if we didn't do it on purpose? Maybe we were just trying to, do something else, maybe mute him or something. What are you gonna do? You're just gonna click on this and say, yes, do you want to unblock Honey Joe 12? Yes, I want to unblock him. This is how you do it. Yeah, this was easy. But also, if you somehow, let's block this guy again. Block. When you block him and you forgot his username or something, but later on you want to remove his block, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna come back to your settings and privacy. And from here, we're gonna go privacy and safety. And here, we're gonna see under the name of safety, we have blocked accounts, as you can see. We're gonna click here, and as you can see, we have this person that we have just blocked. Yes, this guy I blocked before. It was just not my thing. So how I'm gonna remove his blocking is I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, you unblock Honey Joe 12. This is so easy. Blocking that person, unblocking that person, it's not a problem. It's not a headache. Just do like few seconds thing. So that's all. That's all you got to do. And also, if they're disturbing you in some point, you can also report them. And if you want to know how to report a person, you can also check out my other videos. They will be there. So thank you for watching as first, and if you have any questions about this video or about Twitter or about anything that related to social apps, you can ask me on the comments so I can come down there and answer your questions. And if you have any more suggestions, like you should do this, you should also be making a content about this, I'm open to suggestions. You can also let me know in the comments about those ones too. So when I'm there trying to answer your questions, I can also read your suggestions. And thanks for watching again. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, which I'm pretty sure you did, because you didn't know how to do it, so you came to this video, and I'm pretty sure now you know how to do it. So don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Just do it now. Subscribe to my channel. It's easier than blocking someone. Just down there, you're gonna click that button. That's all. See you guys in the next video.